Good morning! Maayong buntag, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Hi, this is Marie Stupek. Have you tried buying a non-stick pan and then a week later you realize it's all scratched up even though you tried so hard not to use steel utensils? Well, stick around and I'll show you how to make a pouch to prevent your non-stick pan from being scratched up. So I bought this beautiful non-stick pan, and I actually bought two of them. And I don't have the luxury of spreading this out in the cupboard in my kitchen. So the tendency is I would stack them together like this, you know. But what happens is that the bottom of this pan is going to scratch the inside of the other pan. So I got an idea of making a pouch so that each pan will be protected. So let's get started. So I have this old t-shirt, my son's old t-shirt. It doesn't fit him anymore, so I'm going to use this to make a pouch. So there you have it. Wasn't that easy? Thank you so much for watching my video. If you learned something from my video, please give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I promise you, I'll give you some more videos on DIY projects for your home. Thank you and maraming salamat po.